Guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be doing an unboxing slash review on the Belle's Beauty Supply new products. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do types of no videos. So like I said, here in this video I will be doing an unboxing slash review. And also, before we do get started, if you guys haven't checked down below in the description, make sure to go check out any of my social media as well as any discount codes that are available. Make sure to go check those out so that way you guys could go ahead and save some money. And also, if you guys haven't checked out any of my other videos, and if you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to check out any of my other videos that will be throughout this one, as well as do not forget to check out my last video, which will also be linked down below. And before we do get started, can we please just talk about packaging, because I love packaging, and packaging is a big factor, I feel, when you have like a business or whatever the case may be, because obviously you want your clients to either keep buying from you or whatever the case may be. So love her gold envelopes, they're so cute. And then here it does have a little fragile sticker, which we love and appreciate. And then also, this is so cute. So she put like little Christmas stickers, which I thought were super cute. So here's this little Christmas one, her Belle's Beauty Supply one, a little thank you sticker, as well as to and from, which I thought was so cute. So I am so excited to open this, and let's get on opening it. I'm going to be using my gold vintage scissors to unbox it as well. I will make sure to link them down below, so make sure to go check down below in the description so that way you guys can go ahead and save some money as well with them.
Hair go long like Chia, money go long like Neo. I ain't in a big idea. My twins big like Tia. My twins big like Tia Tamara.
So as you can see, this is what it looks like once you open it, and I'm so excited. So I do see some decals, I see some acrylics, as well as some tips. So I am very excited to be opening this. So the first thing that I see here is this little baggie. As you can see, I do see some stickers as well as some little cute snowflakes, which I'm so excited about. So this is the first little package that I'm going to be going ahead and opening it. So it just comes in this little black bag. The first thing that I do see here is a cuticle oil, which I love her cuticle oil. I've been wanting to get the cucumber melon, I believe, or something like that. That one is like my favorite, but I'm waiting to get that one till the summer, so that way you could get into like the summer spirit or whatever. But this one right here is in the scent vanilla, and it has her little logo, which I thought was so cute. And there's also like little glitters in there, which I think is so cute. That is super duper cute. So there's some glitters in there, and I cannot wait to smell this. Also here next, like I did mention, we did get some little snowflakes, which these are so good to have, especially right now since Christmas is like right here right now and everybody's getting their Christmas sets. So it does have some different snowflakes in them. So it does have like this AB bluish color, and then like the white, and then the regular AB, which I thought were so cute. So it does come in these two styles, which I love. The next thing that I see here are some little charms, as well as some little metal decals, which I'm so excited to be opening these. And again, look at the packaging. This is so cute. Like, it looks like a little postcard type thing, and I think that's so cute for like little baggies. This is so cute. I've never seen anybody do this, and I love it. And then down here it just says Merry Christmas, the great present was prepared for you, which is so cute. Then also she did include some stickers. You know, she be hooking me up with stickers. So this first one says Broadway tickets for everybody, which this is so cute. Here we have a little present, which is so cute as well. Oh, this one's cute too. This one's a little Rudolph, I believe, like a little deer. Here we have Santa with like a little present. That is so cute. And then this like sleeping Santa one, which again, so cute. And then here it has this little card, and it says Merry Christmas with this gold detail, which I am loving. And she did go ahead and write me a little note, which shout out to you, girl, if you're watching this. But I am so excited. So that is everything that like of the stickers and the little note, which I think I'm going to put these on my laptop because they're so cute. I need to add them to my collection. So then here we have some decals or some stickers, I believe. So again, with the cute packaging, I love it. It's different. so cute. So here first we have these little Grinch ones, which I think are so cute. Look at the little details and like the faces are so cute. Here next we have this one. This one has like snowflakes, little Santa, snowman, and like little candy cane, which I will be going ahead and opening these. Just showing you guys real quick. Ooh, these are so cute. I've seen these before and these are super cute. So these are kind of like that knitted sticker kind of look. So these are so cute. Here we have these, and these are just like snowflakes, reindeers, and these glow in the dark, as you could see. And then these also glow in the dark, some more Christmas ones, which are so cute. Then the next thing that I do see here is an acrylic. So we have one acrylic. Here we have another acrylic, which I'm so excited to be opening and swatching. Here we have another one. Here next we have her tips, which if you guys know, these are like my favorite tips ever. These are the only tips that I honestly really use. So these are her XXL C-curve tips, and I will also make sure to link down below all the products that are here mentioned in this video. So definitely make sure to check out the description so that way you guys could go ahead and check out her website as well as shop and save some money with my code. And then last but not least, we just have 2 more acrylics in there. So like I did mention, we did go ahead and get some acrylics. So I'm just going to really quick take off the bubble wrap with my gold vintage scissors.
Tia Tamara, wait, Tia Tamara, wait, Tia Tamara, hair go long like Chia, money go long like Nia. I am the big idea, my twins big like Tia, my twins big like Tia Tamara, wait, Tia Tamara, wait, Tia Tamara, wait, Tia Tamara. They said, Rico, you so nasty. I said, thank you very much. He just wanna eat me like some candy, but I'm not.
So the number tips that I received came in this little white baggie. And just to show you guys real quick the sizes that I got a number 4, I got a number 6, I also did get a number 3. As you could see, we also got a number 9, as well as a number 8, as well as a number 7. And last but not least, we did get a number 5. Now to show you guys the charms and the metal charms that we got. So as you can see, these are the 2 little containers, and they do have her little logo, which I love. So this first one has these little gold metal charms, which I think are super cute. Look at those are so cute, and that's what they look like. And then here next, these are charms. So I am going to be taking these out and showing you guys what these look like, because I'm so excited to be showing you guys. So these are some of the charms that she has available, so make sure to go check them out if you guys are interested in buying any of these, if you guys like them or whatever the case may be. These are super cute. So these right here are the charms. As you could see, they are so beautiful. So this first one here is kind of like a little reindeer, and it's so beautiful. It has like the little antlers and like the little crystal. And then here we have these Christmas trees. This one has like green and red, and this one's like gold and silver, and this one has like gold detailing, which I think is super cute. And then these definitely caught my eye. I think these are so unique. I've never ever seen these anywhere, and they kind of look like fishes. I'm not exactly sure like what they are. I'm pretty sure they are fishes, but I think they're super cute, like to do like a design like this, or I don't know, something like that. I think it's super cute. And then here we also do have these little reindeer ones as well. I'm gonna be going ahead and taking off the packaging from the stickers.
But I'm not his buttercup. These hoes swear that they can't stand me, but ain't never pulling up. I just made 100K in 2 weeks, little bitch. You need me to pull it up. Get back, and we pulling up. She drinks so much that she throwing it up. We don't give a fuck, we still rolling it up. I got a lot of money, but a lot ain't enough. They ain't towing us. I can make the joke, she ain't trolling us.
So as you can see, this one right here is the first sticker sheet, and this is one of the ones that glows in the dark. So it does have like the little Santa Claus. It has like little Christmas presents, as well as some mustaches, as well as some snowflakes, some little Santa, some little mistletoes, as well as some bells. And they have like little Merry Christmas sayings and little Santas with like the little beard, as well as like the little Christmas hats, which I think are so cute. Next, I have this little Grinch one, which I think is so cute as well, with all the little different designs and faces that he has, which look how cute that is. That is so cute, as you could see. Next is this one. This one also has little characters, and I think it's so cute. It has like little snowman, little reindeers, Santa, snowflakes. some little candy canes, as well as some bells, some little reindeers, which I think is so cute. And this is what this one looks like. Here next is this one. This one's like that sweater kind of knitted design, which is also so cute. It has like little snowflakes, reindeers, and like little line designs, which I think is so cute. And it has these different colors as well. And then last but not least, for the stickers, this is what this one looks like. It just has snowflakes and like little reindeers, as well as like flowers, and these also glow in the dark. Here next, like I did mention, we do have these snowflakes, and this is what these look like. I think these are super cute. These are a definitely must. If you guys haven't gotten any for your collection, these are a must. So as you can see here, we have like the different shapes of them, as you could see, as well as in 3 different colors as well. So this first one, we have like the regular AB and these 2 different designs of snowflake, as well as in white, and as well as this AB white as well. And then like I did mention, she did include this vanilla cuticle oil, which I do want to go ahead and try because I definitely want to smell it. So this is what the cuticle oil looks like. I cannot wait to smell this, because honestly with you guys, I can already smell it. I put too much on, but this smells so good. When I tell you it smells so good, this is a must also in your collection. Definitely smell like vanilla, which if you guys love the scent of vanilla, make sure to get your hands on this so that way your hands can be smelling like it too. So now onto her acrylics. The first one that we have here is called Golden Hour, and it is part of the glow in the dark collection, which I cannot wait to swatch this. As you can see, it has like little glitters in it, which I cannot wait to swatch. Here next is this one. This one's called Cosmic, and this is also from the glow in the dark collection. Here next we have Pinky Promise, and this is also from the glow in the dark collection. This one is so cute. Can we please just talk about her packaging? So this one is from the North Glow collection, and this one's called Mrs. Claus, and it has these little snowflake decals all around the container, which I think is so cute. And again, it also does have one on top of here, and again, so cute. And here next we have Jack Frost, also from the North Glow collection, and again, look at the packaging and the detail. It is so cute. And also, I don't know if you guys can see quite on camera, but it has glitters as well, so I cannot wait to swatch that, as well as the snowflake on top. And I will be going ahead and swatching these now for you guys. So I am going to be going in with my Mies Secret Monomer, as well as my number 12 brush, as well as my Belle's Beauty Supply dabbing dish. And the first one that I will be going in with is Golden Hour. So this first one is Golden Hour, and look how beautiful that one looks. So making sure that I have no bubbles in my brush. This is what this one looks like, and this is what it looks like swatched. And that is so beautiful. Here it is again, and again, this is what it looks like. Super really pretty nude with glitter. So the next one that I will be swatching is called Cosmic, and this is what this one looks like. It has like a little bit of glitter in it, which I love. Which, look at that, that looks so pretty. This is what it looks like swatched, and that is absolutely beautiful. Again, this is what it looks like, and this one is Cosmic. Here next we have is Pinky Promise, and again, this is from the Glow in the Dark collection, and this is what this one looks like. It also has little glitters in it, which I'm so excited about. And this is what this one looks like, as you could see. And then here it is swatched, and look at that, that is absolutely beautiful. Again, this is it here. Here next we have Jack Frost from the North Glow collection, and this is what this one looks like. I am so excited to see what this one looks like. It looks like a really pretty glitter. And again, this is what it looks like here, and this is what it looks like swatched, and that is absolutely beautiful. I could definitely tell you that this one's going to be very popular in my collection, because girl, this is everything right here. That's beautiful. And then last but not least, here we have Mrs. Claus. This is what this one looks like, and again, I'm so excited because this is going to be popular as well in my collection. I already know it. This is what it looks like. It's more on the chunkier side, which, don't get me wrong, I love. It also does have some fine pieces, which again, I love. red is very popular right now, especially for the holidays, so that is beautiful. Here, as you can see, we have all 5 acrylics swatched, and this is what they look like. So here we have Pinky Promise, we have Golden Hour, we have Cosmic, we have Jack Frost, as well as Mrs. Claus. And this is the difference between these two, so that's why I put these two together, so that we guys could see the difference in the nudes as well as the difference in the glitters, which are so pretty. I am living for these glitter acrylics. Now wait to do a set with these. Definitely comment down below if you guys would like to see me do a set with any of these acrylics, and definitely make sure to comment down below which acrylics you guys would like to see in a video. And these are all brand new acrylics from her beauty supply, as you could see. We do have 2 new ones from the North Glow collection, which I am so excited to be using. And before I do forget to show you, this is everything that glows in the dark. So all the acrylics glow in the dark, as you could see, and I love, as well as the little glitter that's in the little cuticle oil. I love it. It glows in the dark. That's super cute. And these are the 2 sticker sheets that glow in the dark as well. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the products that I received, and these are what the acrylics look like that I also received from Belle's Beauty Supply. As you can see, definitely make sure to comment down below your favorite. So on the left, we have Pinky Promise, we have Golden Hour, in the middle we have Cosmic, we have Jack Frost, as well as Mrs. Claus, which I love all these acrylics, and they are definitely a need in your collection as well. And again, we also did receive some extra goodies, which I am so happy about, as well as trying out. So definitely comment down below a color you guys would like to see me either do my nails or do a set with. And also, if you guys would like to see me use the decals or the charms, make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions as well. And again, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure to go shop Belle's Beauty Supply. I will also make sure to link it down below in the description, as well as with my code, so that way you guys could go ahead and save some money as well. Also, do not forget to check out my last video, which will also be linked down below in the description, as well as any of my social media. Make sure to go follow me on TikTok, on Instagram, all that good stuff. Loved every single thing that I got, which I'm so excited to use these acrylics. Definitely, like I mentioned, make sure to comment down below which one was your favorite. And also, do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload. And again, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one.